Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how to place an order through the Chewy app. And for this example, I'm going to be setting up Autoship. So what we're going to do is launch the Chewy application. Now, if you know exactly what you're looking for, you can search for your item here in the search bar at the top. But if you'd like to browse through different options on the Discover page, we can shop by pet. And for me, for this example, I'm going to be shopping for a cat, so I'm going to click that option. Then it allows you to filter by different categories. So for me, I'm going to search through food. And then filtering further, I'm going to be looking for dry food, so selecting that option. And this is going to be for an adult. And I really like how Chewy lays out the filtering options when going through and searching for products. It's really straightforward and an easy way to get exactly what you're looking for. So now at this point, I can scroll through and look through the different products. I can select them. I can read through the reviews for the different products. You can see the prices and then what discount that you can get if setting it up through Autoship. And scrolling through, I found what I'm looking for, which is Blue Buffalo Wilderness Indoor Cat Food, so I'm going to select that. If you want, you can add the product to your favorites so that it'll show up in your favorites area in your account. You can also see the pricing information depending on which size food that you get and how much the food will be per pound that you're getting. So usually the best bang for the buck is going to be if you're getting a larger quantity. And I'm going to be setting up the 11-pound bag. Now, once you have the quantity selected that you'd like to order, if this is all you're going to be ordering and you'd like to set it up through Autoship, you can select that option. But if you're going to be getting additional products and perhaps additional things that you want to set up with Autoship, then we can just add it to our cart for now and continue shopping. And it can also be helpful scrolling down to the bottom to find the reviews, and you can read over what people are saying about a particular product. So while you're shopping, if you ever want to take a look at your cart, you can click on your cart here in the upper right-hand corner. And I'm going to add some more items to my cart before proceeding to check out. So once you have all of the items in your cart that you're looking to check out with, then we can proceed to check out. And your order will ship for free if it's over $50, so we can click here where it says proceed to check out. And if you haven't already done so, you can enter in your shipping information and then click ship to this address. Now, if you'd like to set up auto ship, you can do so and you can select which products that you'd like to get auto ship. So for me, I want all of these products auto shipped, so I can just check that option next to each product that I want auto shipped. And once I have all of those auto ship options selected here at the top, I can set up the frequency. And what's nice about auto ship is you can always change or cancel these at any time, but you'll often get additional discounts off on the items that you're ordering. Continuing to scroll down to the bottom, if you have a gift card, you can add that option here. Otherwise, selecting your payment information, you can either enter in your card information in this area, or if you have Google Pay, for instance, you can select that option. For me, I'm going to be setting up a credit card, so I'm going to select that option. Then enter in your card information, and if your billing address is the same as the shipping address, you can check this box and it'll automatically fill out that information. And after filling in all of your card information, you can click on where it says use card. If you have a promo code, you can enter that in here. And for new customers, you can apply the welcome promo code. So clicking apply right here, new customers spending $49 or more get a $20 e-gift card and free shipping. So we're going to click on apply. And if everything looks good, we can now click place order at the bottom. So after successfully ordering, we can scroll to the bottom and click on continue shopping if we want to look at more items, or we can view our order details by selecting that option. After going back to the home page, if you'd like to check on the status of your order or make any changes, what we can do is we can go down here and click on where it says account, and then we can click on our order history, and then select the order that you'd like to check on. Now, if you'd like to make any changes to your order or cancel, be sure to do this in a timely manner, but in your order information, scroll down to the bottom, and we can see we have the option to cancel this order right here. So I hope this video was helpful walking you through the step-by-step process on how to place an order through Chewy and also setting up auto ship. I appreciate you guys stopping by. Consider subscribing to the YouTube channel, and I'll see you back here next time.